Hey students, in this video we will learn that how to preview media in the cut page of DaVinci Resolve, because in the previous video of this series we just learned how to import media into DaVinci Resolve. So now we will open our project, and here you can see in the last video we created in the master like media and my videos. So here you can see on the right side, see this one. This is source clip. So if you want to preview media, so there are few options that you can use. So the first one is source clip, and the second one is, here you can see source tape, and the next one is timeline, and this is multi-source. So what exactly source clip and timeline? So source clip, see, for example, if I click here, so you can see, I can see here the preview. If I play it from here, so you can see it will play here. You can see it's playing. If I stop, I can stop. So I can preview the media here in the source clip. You can see this is the source clip. As you can see, if I click this one, so you can see this preview will appear. So now you can see if we play here, so this is playing. But if I, for example, drag and drop this one in the timeline, you can see here, for example, now it's in the timeline. And if I now play it here, see, we are in the timeline. So if I play here, now you can see both sides. You can see it's also showing preview here and also here. The changing of scenes, every frame you can see here. It's in the timeline, it's also here. If I go to the source clip and now play, see, let me show you the difference. So in the source clip, if you play, so now you can see it's playing only here. It's not changing the scenes and frames here. But if I go to the timeline and then you play it, so you can see now both places you can see. And this one, in future videos I will show you what is source tape in detail. So this is the main difference in source clip and timeline. So source clip and timeline is very easy, as I explained. So you can see source clip, and it's also show here, like, see, when you move the mouse here in the master media, here you can see in the media pool section, you can see I'm just moving the cursor here, so you can see it's also changing here. See, I'm changing here, see, just with the mouse cursor you can see moving it, and see in the preview panel it's also moving in this source clip panel. Okay, but if we are in timeline now, see, if I move it, so see, this is selected. If I select this, now see, it's moving here only in the media, you can see in the media pool, but here you can see it's both places, you can see it's moving. So now in this video we have learned how to preview media, and let me also tell you something about the views of this media pool in this video. So you can see this one is selected. If I click here, so it will change the view. See, this is strip view. Now strip view, it's also show you like the changing of scenes when so, and more details you can see, like this is 30 frames per second, this video, and this is the dimension of the video. You can see this is a date when we modified or updated it, and this is the hours, minutes, seconds, frames, how many seconds and how many duration of the video is also showing here. So in different details you can see this is metadata view, strip view, and this is thumbnail view. So the views of media pool also we have learnt in this video. So these are three. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and also share the video with your friends so they can learn new things, they can increase their professional skills, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.